In this video tutorial, I'll demonstrate briefly the use of Nmap parser to be able to take the XML format of Nmap output and parse it into more human-readable CSV format that we can use as a guide for looking through the attack surface of our target of evaluation. To get things started, we want to make sure that your Kali VM is started. We need to make sure that you also have saved already Nmap file output with the most common type of output XML and Nmap. So if you look into your desktop, you should have a file called whatever name you put into it, .nmap, and also .xml. Make sure when you open these files, they actually have content. It's possible that you may be overwriting some of this content. So if we do that, once we have that file, the next thing we need to do is we need to make sure we change the working directory. Actually open up terminal, and from terminal, make sure that you change the working directory to opt discover. So cd opt and discover, and you hit enter. Since the working directory I'm already in is called discover, I'm all set. Then the next thing to do is we need to execute the discover script. So / type di and then press the tab. This will bring in the discover menu. The next option we will select is 13, parse XML. In this case, we'll select the number option 4, which is Nmap. We need to provide the location of the file where our Nmap results are located, in specifically the .xml format, and then press enter. So now we have a file created, and what we need to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy the file from the provided directory in here. To root desktop. Now I should have file. So if you look into the output, now it's more human readable format. So in here, if I look into it, I see they have port 21 open. And I can mark here that it was successfully exploited or not. I can see that I have other ports, and it helps me have more of a methodical approach and method of elimination, making sure the port and the service that I've evaluated is actually adequately marked, so I'm not repeating, and also I'm not creating any gaps this part of the evaluation process.